We're going out this weekend to the scrub, not the beach. Chances of pinstriping quite high. I finally got the Bushwrapz PPF kit. Time to get it installed. So the Bushwrapz comes with an email. Their customer service was sensational. I got an email to say, here's the video steps, here's what you do. So the first thing I want to do is clay bar it, get rid of all the debris and all the bumps off the paintwork, make it nice and smooth. I brought some microfiber cloth. They do tell you you've got to buy a 1 litre squeegee bottle to mix up the slip solution. So the process now is, first of all, clay bar, dry it all off, get it ready, and then install the PPF. So let's get clay barring. So we did that installation earlier this week. We're now out at Hima base camp. We've been driving the national park tracks all weekend, and some of them have been really tight. We've got a lot of leaf and a lot of sticks, a lot of pinstriping going on along here. So I'm quite keen to see how well this has all worked. We head home tomorrow. So once we get home, I'll start washing it. I'll shoot some footage of how it's all gone and how much it's protected the car. It hasn't been on the canopy, so we'll definitely see a big difference, hopefully, in what's happened. So as you've just seen, we've put the Bushwrapz all over it last week, and then this weekend we went out for a weekend of wheeling, not really hardcore, but down some really tight lanes. And I'll roll some footage now where we did get a lot of pinstriping down the side. So clearly haven't washed it yet, so quite keen to give it a wash now and actually see how well it's protected everything. So I might put you in a time lapse and I'll wash it. So that's the Bushwrapz done. You've seen me wash it. This was literally, we've just got back from Hima. I've tried to show it on the camera. I'm not sure how well it's come up, but there's not a scratch on this. There's literally nothing. It is so impressive. I'm not sponsored by Bushwrapz, nothing else. I'm just genuinely stunned. There's not a mark on that door. Now hopefully the footage that we rolled of all that lantana and all those twigs and leaves and sticks scratching along the side of it, hopefully that's come up in the video, because seriously I cannot see a scratch. That is beyond impressive. I don't have the canopy down, and if you look, and I've shot some footage of the doors, there's scratches all over this, easy to see. But there's nothing on the door, like literally nothing on the car. There's nothing. All up here, it's all done. It's all perfect. Could not be happier. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please do remember to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.